Okay, today we're gonna start doing the video for your 2007 Jeep Wrangler. The shifter cable not working. As you can see, you put on the brake, put the key on, nothing happens. No reverse, no nothing. Your cable doesn't move. Put the camera here. See the parking brake? It's just in park. Okay. Quick fix to that, you can either go buy a cable, which is about $80 to $120 at the dealer, or go to AutoZone and buy the bushing kit. Now I've changed these out in a Hummer. It's a pretty common thing on a Hummer, the H2s, and then we're gonna do it today with the Jeep, the easy fix, how we do it. So we'll put our parking brake on, and then we'll lift our hood. The reason we're lifting our hood is so we can get some light down there so we can see what the hell we're doing down there. Alright. Now, this is your old bushing, and this is going to be the replacement bushing you got. You get a kit at AutoZone for about anywhere from $8 to $20. We're going to be using this particular bushing. All right, let's go down there and take a look at it. Here we see the cable where it came off. That's the gear selector. Goes back and forth, back and forth. Now, before you start doing this, make sure you caulk your wheels. Put a brace on it so your car doesn't move around while you're down here. And you're going to take your old linkage out, which is this one, all deteriorated. Why they put these cheap things on there, who knows. On other models, they put like a little screw coming through here and bolt down. And it just pops back in there. We're going to use this type of pulley. We'll use this one. And then what we'll do, okay, we'll grab it here. We'll pop it in. There's a bit of pressure there. And then we just got to snap this one in place. Once you got it snapped, that's all there is to it. Got it?